came here, about 4 vehicles shut off in there.
Yeah, guys, in taking water.
The man he said me the day.
I heard we have to try to do it. We have vlog, but at the same time we have
people welcome back to another vlog. So we do it a little fishing village. Fishing village right here, so you can see the boat them coming from that side. We'll be coming from Mark Bay, coming back towards Portland. Yeah man. So my day here, I walk out here, so later main road. Persons I say well if I water up on the road as you go around, so I make a walk around to go check out what going. Yep. Alright, this is some water right here, so you can see water from here, so the swamp. We'll fill up another drain here, go to the sea on the left hand side of us. Can go across back again once more, so you can see what going. See there? Alright, so come out and go to the sea. So I take my time, walk around there. I probably do mostly drone video as my camera on my phone is not working too well. So I have to give you a drone view. You know, as I walk to go around there, I'm gonna give you little snippets of things that I see along the way. Yeah, man. Take my time and go around there, so catch you when I reach a bit nearer. Alright, so I reach right here, so as you can see. But I just see the water where everybody attack, man. Could man? Watch it. Whole heap of water this, you know. Out now Port Marine out here, so or Lieth main road. You can see straight up on the bumper of vehicles. And the side that they are driving on is where the drain is. So when I really advise persons to go on that side because they can sink away and go into the drain. But just as you said, rough man. You want to pick up yourself then. I wonder how the other side is like, because I know that over on that side where you see the buses, that side had a drain at one point and they covered it with the wall that they made and you don't have any outlet, so I'm wondering how the road stay over that side. But I can use the drone a bit to show you that. We're going top class. Yeah man, look up yourself top class, so you can go check him out on YouTube man. Just check out top class bro. Yeah man. When I saw I go on out a little little rain fall yesterday and this morning and this start happening. I noticed the vehicles them on the other side. They're there for quite a while now. I'm not sure if they went through this section and water going there or not. Or there's water over there and they don't really want to go in that water. But as I said a while ago, I'm gonna fly the drone so you guys can see it a bit better.
Below the sea level, all the water will come out.
That's true. Because we say long term, you know. Alright, I know if you look. Watch it.
You see which part the wall top is? There is where the road is supposed to be.
Yeah, on top of which part the wall there.
At the wall. right? You see them put the road on top of the wall. Alright, the drainage supposed to be above this road pitch. Carry water back to the sea. All of them here after the bowlers go right back. Now when I find out this, the bowlers go right back out to the high valley. See? And the road, you carry the water drainage them above.
That, cause right now the whole of them now backfill with sand and something.
Backfill, the man them a backfill and a concrete them in when they're not ready.
So water the over other side over Alshamar too?
So yeah, there's some water over there.
Cause I see them bus there for a while now.
Down in a distance, man, you know.
Eh?
Yeah.
Some bus they cross the bridge, man. Park up from here walk come.
The right after the check is the man drive right over there.
Oh. So
Acceptable, brother. None at all.
none at all.
Nowhere to go. None at all. See, this road business from Harborview right to Portland, it under no supervision.
None. For true.
None.
I have to agree with it, that's so
None. Construction work me do. Nobody can fool me on them something, brother. Work with China at all, you know. On road, you know. Whole of 3 miles, me work at 3 miles, you know. You right to Barbican, you know, brother, on road, you know. Nobody can fool me on them something, you know.
yeah.
Careful.
I want to do that, yes.
Put my car through this.
All them bus here, the air filter are there near the wheel.
They're clean at the right of the wheel. Wheel arch. Can't tell you how much boss I got boss or what is now. The driver they don't care, you know. Because I'm feed them vehicle. And I feed them vehicle so then they can put it through there. So the boss they own the vehicle I go feed all of this. Yeah. That's rough. The boss they own the vehicle I go feed all of that pain. It's not acceptable. None at all, that. None at all. You better.
Here man say, you now come back through it.
Alright, and more water going out, you know. The water now reduce, you know.
The water come from out of this, out of the drain right there, so.
Come from out of the drain, up so.
See how this man look like?
That is the problem. The water now I'm nowhere to run for.
It can't go tonight,
yes,
because block up.
Continue. Right. At all times. That's what I'm going to do.
Yep. Alright, so
this drain I overflow. All the water will come from so I hit big. Come and so come block up.
alright, so just want to push
Right,
go over
so,
this. So.
and just open to the water, go to the sea and open it up this just the same. Get rid of the water.
Okay, simple one too that. Simple one too. And let me tell. Just push off right here so because you're a little bit higher than the sea. You know say water go get if you go over there. And somewhere up there so too.
Yes, what we're seeing here now is a poor work from the Chinese. I didn't even know the Chinese, them would have get poor enough for them working too. Because they put the culvert very low at sea level. So the water now come, and when it run to the sea, the culvert block. So all that happen now is that the water keep riding on the road, and it was more terrible this morning. This morning when I came here, about 4 vehicles shut off in there. So we're not getting no good work for the money in St. Thomas. I don't see it happen anywhere else. You're going on the road and you have some pipe coming up out of the road and high enough to burst your tire. The pothole them or the pipe hole them where them have licking the car tire and bringing out the wire in it. So when I drive on the smooth road, that's how the vehicle go. Something have to be done. These contractors need to be taken back somewhere. The Chinese, they were doing a good work at one time. Now when they come to St. Thomas, I don't know if it's a St. Thomas problem, but them just not doing nothing good. Them do it from Bull Bay, come up when them reach in here, so now where the other man then do it for go. Them not doing it properly. I think we really need the construction ministry to sit down with these contractors and ensure that we get worth and value for our money, brother. Yes, good.
People, I take my time walk ground towards Portman side, see clarity there. The man clarity have a water boat and something. I don't have a water boat, I have on shoes. So I have to walk up and so him walk down there. So I take my time and go around. As I say, before I don't really have video properly, keep on go blur, so I just have to catch little snippets and when I go around. Yeah man. Let's stay tuned and watch how I'm going. Yeah. I see it, man. Right here, so me just say, I'm a driver. Then could I just come scrape out right here, so the water go in the sea. It's already I do it so for itself already. But this is not sufficient because you can see people still out there struggling. And boy, it's hard to walk around here so cars. And then I right shoes and me just a sink in the ground. Yeah man, just a sink. So I have to go walk behind here, so, but I don't think no space today because water full. Yeah, water run.
All you need to do is come walk in us. That's all the man need to do. Just come there, so walk with them. Look now and then, man saying can't do it. And then they man work on the road.
Can't clean off someone and dirt yourself. Don't go on the right here, so. So all them places we have to open up, them places we have to walk and open them up. Hold on, let me put this on this, hold on. water to water. Shut them on that, you know. Shut them on the smoke.
Yeah man, we'll try a little bit of something. So at least the part here show a little bit better now. But as I say, I back home and I'm fed of this snow weed. But I not say I can't help the community, but yeah man, for them equipment bigger than way the tour we can do right now. Yeah man, you see? Water coming, but man, might drive hard, sir. Any man, they might pass.
Shut off!
So the bridge is just in front of me, and this is on the other side now. When you pass Fish Cove, and you can see the drains that you see right here, they are very low and they are also blocked. So the water has nowhere to really run out. Continue journey go towards Port Marine and Clarity. So the water stay up here, so up at the part where the water run a compare road and see which water come from there over to the drain. So I drain upon one side, and over here so they have the outlet them part they block up, so you know say the water now have nowhere else to go more than on the road where to see. But I continue my journey go on the side, go on little snippets how I'll go on. As me do shown already, I go on a little drone view so when you can at least see it from above. So not really I miss out anything. So you see water down here, so you just get notified say right here, so at the back of Fish Cove the water this I come through, but it not come through fast enough for take the water off of the road down there. So you can see this is a river system right up on the bridge of Fish Cove restaurant. And the over there side go out and see. Yeah, you see it look a bit better from the drone view. Yeah man. Yeah, guys, in taking water. So that vehicle that you saw that took in water, it was okay. He revved up the engine, built it up until the water blow out, so he just drive off after that. So water normally runs from up this road, which is at the entrance of East Coast Jerk Center, and normally runs and goes across the road towards my right out into the sea, but because they built the stone wall there and did not put any drainage, the water is circling right in front of the wall. And you know that when the rain comes down again, all of this area is just going to be flooded due to the fact that on the right hand side, as you can see, the swamp is there, and also there's a water channel there, and it has nowhere to run out because all the areas that it normally run out are blocked, and the ones that they have are too low, and this from the sea is blocking up those drains, hence no water can go out to the sea.
Yeah, the man they make the wall because they put the pipe them to run out the water off of the road. So the water set up there. And then they put the pipe in the wall them, so the water to bank up all the way on the road. You understand me anyway? Same thing when they do right.
Same thing me start about look well, the same thing me start
over
about look well.
like same thing over little right. Corner with the pipe. They must put in the pipe them to run the water off of the road. You understand? Good on for the bottom and then not do that. So the water go bank up on the road. Keep banking up on you. Keep banking up on the road and run over and then keep it. You understand?
Yeah man.
Yeah, go down on the road.
Alright.
Yeah man. They might fix it the place better.